Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Happy 2018. Oh, wow. It is 2018 and I'm in a really good mood. I am. Oh my God, the Schmitty Schmats are in here. Okay, so hi, buddy. So, welcome back. I hope everybody is having the most amazing, the most fabulous 2018. Happy New Year. If you're a new person watching, welcome. If you're one of my existing friends, welcome back. Wow. All right, I'm late to making a video in 2018. I know this, but it's better late than never, right? So today what I wanted to do is I just wanted to give you some life updates and I wanted to I wanted to share what I've been working on and I wanted to share I want your advice. You guys have fabulous taste. Of course, you're watching me. You have fabulous taste, and I love you guys for your advice, and I need your help. So, first of all, I want to know what you're focusing on in 2018. Me, I changed. Okay, get it out. I shifted. Well, I was trying to say shift and change at the same time. No, I didn't chat. I shifted priorities and I shifted my focus. My perspective changed with a lot of things. So 2017 was crap. Oh my God, it was like the worst year of my life. And I've been around the block and I've been through a lot of stuff, but 2018 is going to be my year. I know it. And we say that every year. And I don't think I said it last year, so maybe that's why. But anyway, 2017 was a terrible year, but I really wish a lot of things didn't happen, but a lot of things happened to change me, to make me personally grow, and to change my perspective on things, and to change my outlook on life. And sometimes you have to go through horrible things. You have to go through a lot of losses to see the beauty and to see the passion, to reclaim your passion for life. So what I did is I was going to buy another love bracelet and a pair of Van Cleef earrings. And I said, all right, let me hold off for that. And my husband and I were looking for new places to live. Excuse my nails. They need to be done desperately. So if you see them, I know you're going to be like, taggy bitch. Anyway, excuse my nails. So my husband and I were looking for new places to live. And we were like, you know what? It's not the right time. We're really busy. We're changing a lot of things in our life. Let's take what we have and appreciate it. And this goes for another perspective. I want to live a luxury lifestyle every day. And that doesn't mean going to shopping at Hermes and Cartier and Chanel. It means living a luxury lifestyle, eating a beautiful meal, reading a fabulous book, watching TV, having a wonderful conversation, sitting alone and having a beautiful tea in my Hermes china. I need to take out my Hermes china. I have nice pieces. Or it could mean sitting in your car, going through McDonald's drive-through and, loving that, whatever. Luxury, whatever, just enjoy yourself to the fullest, indulge in all your senses, and that's what I'm going to do every day. So what we did, we were like, you know what, let's improve our environment. We have things that we don't like about our place, but we have things that we love about our place. Excuse me. So here's my luxury indulgences, 2 tips on having a sexy marriage. No, a successful marriage. And that is one second. One is having your own bathroom. So you and your husband do not need to share a bathroom. And the second is having your own private space. My husband and I are kind of like attached to the hip, but him and I get along so well because we're both kind of loners. Like, I love being alone. I am an extrovert that loves being alone. Tell me what that means. Oh, so I need your advice for pieces for my wall and some other things. So first thing we decided to do is fix up our living room. I just got new furniture last year, but I was like, hell, let's put it in another room. We got new furniture. I bought my husband a beautiful TV. He's fixing up his area. I fixed up mine. Well, 70% done. I need your help. So the first thing I did, I put my Chanel bag because it matched. I love blush pink and I love gray. The first thing I did is I wanted, and I always sit at my poudre. The Schmitty Schmats are in here. I always sit at my poudre area and my fragrance area, which used to be here. And I wanted a sitting area for my friends, for clients, for myself, to just sit here, I have to get a small ottoman. So I got the sofa. Well, I got the settee, and I didn't want a sofa. I didn't want a love seat. I didn't want something that was split in the middle with two different cushions. I wanted a settee that had one cushion, and it fit the criteria. It was a great buy. It was a beautiful crushed velvet. It was tufted, and it was gray. The girl loves gray. So I got this piece. And then I got this piece over here, and it still has a price tag on it. Tacky. And I wanted a little nightstand next to my settee so that I could put, it's great for storage. And that comes to over here. I have another question. So it's great for storage, and it's great to sit here. I got the settee so we can sit, yes, me and my personalities can sit here and have tea and just relax. This room's a mess. Look at this room. It is a hot mess. This room sucks. I mean, not this room. This area needs to be done. Do you love the paper towels? Okay. So this area over here is not done. So I got this table so I can use it as a little end table, a little sofa, I keep saying sofa, a little settee table, but it's also great for storage. Look at this. This is a great table, and it was only $130, and it holds candles. What did I put in here? Did I put anything? Oh, I put all of my fragrance samples in here. Yes, girl, take the tag off. Okay, so here's what I need for this wall. I need some advice. So here's my favorite picture colors. I love blacks, grays, and blush together. This is my Marilyn picture, and I've had this for, oh my God, I've had this for 30 years. I've had this Marilyn Monroe picture. I don't even look 30 years old, honey. Anyway, I've had this Marilyn Monroe picture for 30 years. I love it. I love it because of the colors, but I also am like, what are you thinking, Marilyn? What's going through your beautiful brain? Are you thinking, should I stay in New York? Because she's in Manhattan. Or should I go where there's interesting, articulate people that are interested in me, in my brain? Or should I go back to Hollywood and be taken advantage of? Anyway. Or she's probably thinking, like, I need a French fry or something. Okay, so then my question is a little bit more shallow. What should I do? Should I put a big mirror here? Or should I get, like, a fashion scape, like, that you see on Z Gallery, which is maybe a sketch and in the blush tone? So what is your advice for that? And then also, I'm not loving this area. This is my vanity. And I love my vanity. I love my light fixture. And my mirror, but I'm not liking this. I love my chair. I'm not liking this Alex set. It doesn't go. So I'm looking for a way to display my makeup. I have, everything's pretty organized and, you know, pretty nice, but I need a way to, I don't like the Alex jars, and I can put them in the home office, but I don't like them, and I don't like this. So I tried putting this piece over there, and it didn't look good. I didn't like it. So I need to find a chest, a drawer, mirrored drawer storage. And then here's the top of my vanity, and it's okay. I mean, I need to do some more stuff. And then I need to figure out what I'm going to do with this area. This is still stuff I need to put away. And, you know, I bought like 10 vases because I was so into it. And then I have about 1,000 books that I need to figure out what to do. And then I have a lot of beautiful, like, fashion books, and I just got a really cool book for Christmas. It was all about Guerlain. Anyway, I had a lot of beautiful fashion books that I want to display. So I was thinking maybe like this wall can be shelves with all of the books. I have some really rare fashion books from the 50s and the 60s that are amazing. So that's the help that I need, and then I need to get a new sheepskin rug that is smaller. The cats are like, what do you want? Oh, the cats, I don't want them in here, but I love them. Say hi. Okay, so I need to get an ottoman. If you guys know where to get a little baby ottoman. So when I'm sitting here, I can look out the window and either lay here, which is really tiny, or I could put my feet up on the ottoman and just have a cup of tea or a glass of champagne and enjoy myself. So I did get fuzzy pillows, fuzzy furries for the winter, and then I'll get something a little bit more sleek for the spring and summer. But I love comfort. Like, I'm all about the comfort and cozy right now. It's cold. So okay, so that's like, I don't want to call it a room tour because it's not finished, but that's what I'm working on. And it ties into you guys, so hopefully I get to do a YouTube videos in a nicer setting. And I don't know, maybe I have a tripod, and maybe I could just sit in the tripod and do videos over here. We'll see. So, all right, help me find, if you want to, this is not like you need to find this. I'm the stylist, but I'm outsourcing to you guys. Me, if you want to find something for above, what do you think? Is there any like people who are really good with decor? What should I do here? What should I do to tie it all together? How should I tie all of this in together? This is my bag closet as well. Oops, you see a bag with a tag on it. Not good. Okay, one thing I hate is the carpet. Okay, everything's coming up a lot warmer for in here for some reason. Everything is not this beigey. It's more like eggshelly, so I don't know why it's coming up. I hate carpet. I like hardwood floors, but that's not a possibility for us right now. And they're brand new carpets. So you gotta take what you have in life and you gotta make the best of it, right? I mean, I wanted everything. I'm like, honey, we have to move. I want my hardwood floors. I want this brand new one with that brand new. It can't happen for us right now. So I was like, let's make the best of what we have. And that's kind of the theme of 2018. Let's take every day and make the best of it. I'm about to go to dinner with my husband, and like I started my low carb up. I'm not gonna look at my life and say, well, I can't have sugar. I can't have this. I'm gonna be like, well, I get to eat like tons of fat and I get to have a great steak. So my perspective is really positive. If you are feeling like things aren't working out for you, or your life is, I want to tell you, I'm still depressed. I'm being honest. My husband and I had some serious losses, and I have that pain every day that I carry with me. But I'm like a happy, depressed person. I can't explain it. Like, I'm depressed and I'm sad and I'm moody and emotional, but I'm also very happy and I have a passion for life, and I don't know. So what the hell am I even trying to get at? My point is, if things seem really bleak to you, like you're losing your job or you don't have a lot of money for this and you don't have a lot of money for that, take your life and analyze it. And really, I say luxury, but make the best of it. Are you able to go and, get yourself a nice coffee? And that's one thing that pisses me off. Here's the rant of the video, the rant of the day. I hate when people talk about the latte effect and trying to save for luxury. Well, if you didn't drink your lattes, you'd have a bag at the end of the year. Yes, but you also wouldn't get to experience a great coffee every day. So the next video is going to be all about the finances, the runaway fund. And I have boxes I'm putting together. It's all about the boxes of how you store things and how you organize your paperwork, your receipts, everything. So it really made me think about finances lately, and I want to buy, there's things on my wish list that I want, and I want to buy these things. All right, you're like, why am I just staring at a sofa? A settee. Why am I staring at a settee? Okay, let's stare at something else. Okay, we'll spin you round and round. Okay, why do I want... Okay, I want that. I want a Chanel bag. I want a Cartier La bracelet. I want a new Louis Vuitton. If it interferes with you taking yourself out to dinner, taking yourself away for the weekend, if you can't afford to enjoy your daily life just to get this, don't do it. Like, I want to buy, there's things on my wish list, but then I'm thinking, do I want a massage 4 times a week instead? So weigh your priorities. I feel like mine, I definitely still want, I probably am done with buying Chanel bags. I still want jewelry, but I want to enjoy my life daily. I want to go out with friends, and I want to sit and have great, company. And those are more important than acquiring things. I'm more into experiences. So I hope everyone has a lovely day. My cats are like, why am I in here? They're actually not supposed to be in here because I don't want them scratching my new settee. So say hi. They're real comfy, cozy. These are my best friends. I love them. I hope everyone's having a wonderful 2018. I'm going to get in touch with you guys. I'm trying to do social media. I still have this deep, not despair, a deep, like, I still think, there's so many things about social media that I despise. And I don't want to like go on Instagram and be like, look at my new boutique. I mean, it's so draining to me. I don't know. I love looking at it, but I just, that was a goal that I set for myself. I'm like, I'm going to do more social media and postings and everything, but I'm like, what benefit am I really getting out of it? Somebody liking my photo, it's not enough. Like, I want more passion. I want more interaction than just a thumbs up or a heart. So anyway, give me that damn thumbs up and like and subscribe and share this video with your friends and tell everyone about me and just promote me. Oh, here's what's coming up. So the financial video I might do tonight if I get home from dinner with my husband at a reasonable time. And I have a Sicily video coming up next month where I'm going to go to the Sicily counter, and I've been loving these lip shines. I'm in love with them. I'm like grabbing them. I'm in love with my Sicily powder, but I'm going to the Sicily counter next month in Manhattan. And my sales associate and I were doing a training, and we are going to shoot a Sicily video on the best of Sicily. And you get to see the fun stuff at the counter and some gifts for you guys. I have a giveaway coming up. I do. I have a giveaway. So, happy 2018, bitches. Get your mojo back. I got mine. And mwah, love you guys. Bye. Bye.